The Toyota 4Runner is still one of the most endearing sport utility vehicles available. It can do what it needs to, is impervious to harm, and looks good while doing it. The problem is that the fifth generation, which first went into production in 2009, has become obsolete. It has a lower highway mileage rating than the new Ford Bronco and fewer gears, 5 versus 10, in the automatic transmission. As luck would have it, a new generation of the Toyota 4Runner is on the way. All you need to know about the next-gen Toyota 4Runner is right here. Toyota is currently updating their SUV and truck models for use in rough terrain. The 2022 Toyota Tundra is the first step in this procedure. The next-generation Sequoia, the 2023 model, carried on the tradition. The 4Runner should be coming out soon, at least in theory. However, Toyota has not yet said when the product would be available for purchase. Toyota has declared new features for the 2023 version. So, we shouldn't expect the new 4Runner until at least 2023, and probably not until 2024. According to rumors, Toyota is gearing up to introduce a new Land Cruiser in the United States, modeled after the Land Cruiser Prado. In that case, the next 4Runner redesign might not come from Toyota until 2024, for the 2025 model year. Toyota is switching to its new TNGAF truck platform for their body-on-frame trucks and SUVs. The new J300 Land Cruiser, Tundra, Lexus LX600, and Sequoia are all built on this platform. It ought to be downsized for use in the new Tacoma pickup and the 4Runner. The 4Runner, like the Land Cruiser before it, has been manufactured in Japan. With the new shared platform, many are wondering if Toyota would move 4Runner manufacture to North America. Probably. Toyota has been steadily reducing engine sizes throughout its entire family of pickups and SUVs. Models that previously came with V8 engines are now switching to V6s. The 4Runner, which now has a V6 engine measuring at 4.0 liters, will most likely switch to a 4-cylinder layout. Base engine preferences have shifted toward the 2017 Lexus NX 350's turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4, which produces 275 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, substantially more torque than the current V6.